picture of me there.
Yeah, let me.
You did send Hermes message for it, right?
No, it was on a post, so I just wrote it up in the book. You got some other ones, but this one, yeah, I can't send it now, but I'm just letting you know about it, because if I send it now, and then it'll go on the next one. So, you want me to give you the code now over the radio?
No, just tell me the discrepancy again one more time, and I'll look it up.
Okay. Captain's barrel men's inner knob loose. Displayed minimums on the PFD. Keep counting up.
So we are cleared as filed. Expect it's the Winco 2 and 5,000 feet.
Okay.
2310.
You tell me when you want me to start reading.
And I am ready, sir.
Okay, Miami to Los Angeles flight 2283. We got company route Miami Los Angeles 41.
Okay.
Let's start out with the Winco 2 to Winco. Direct Cherry, direct Dolly, Yellow 280 to Lima Echo Victor, Jet 86 to Pecan, direct to Juliet Charlie Tango, direct to Echo Whiskey Mike, direct to Kilo Alpha 18 Quebec, direct to Messi, direct to Eastwood, Eastwood, Seaview, Hollywood arrival, transition 25 left. How's that?
Checks.
Okay, legs page, here we go. Okay, let's step down. Sonoy, Simba, Fork, Borley, Megan, Winco, Cherry, Dolly, Sarasota, Jambu, Charge, Remus, Rozzy, Nate, Redfin, Lima Echo Victor, Pecan, Juliet Charlie Tango, Echo Whiskey Mike, Kilo Alpha 18 Quebec, Messi, Eastwood, McCune, Midler, Monroe, Hollywood, Bruin, Avatar, Damie, Day.
It's all on the arrival now.
Okay, wait up, Neil, Seaview. There we go. How about 2,073 miles?
2060.
Okay. I think we're good enough for that.
And looks like we might have some thunderstorms in the area, but I'll have the radar up for you.
Okay.
And that's pretty much all I got. I feel much more rested today.
Same here. Yesterday I was just not there.
And my job is to be as good a pilot monitoring as I can be. Trap all errors, including my own.
You better believe it. Okay, we're going to taxi out for runway 8 right. We're going to push back from here 8 right. The departure Sid Winco. And they're going to do a heading, correct?
That checks.
So we're an LNAV, no LNAV, just VNAV.
Right.
If we lose a motor, we're going to go straight out. QRC, electronic checklist. When you get the QRC done, we'll exchange control. Your radios, your aircraft, and I'll do the electronic checklist.
Okay.
You just keep flying.
Okay.
Okay. Sonoy, we're going out to Winco. We already talked about the rejects yesterday. We don't need to go over that. Anything am I missing, Bruce?
No. I think that is it. There's no engine out departure other than standard. And,
Right.
The longest runway is 9. So
Right. We'll come back in on 9 then.
go back to
one engine at a time. Yes, on 300. Yes. Start the left engine.